Hello, good evening everyone. Today in this video I'll discuss about women empowerment. Women empowerment is one of the major talked issue in the today's world. Since from the independence after 1990, India is working towards empowering the women in the country. When we talked about women empowerment, that is, it means ability of the women to take their own decisions with regard to their life and work in all the major aspects such as social, economical, political, and legal, and so on. Women are nowadays working shoulder to shoulder with men and getting the opportunities and chances to shape their dream reality into shaping dream life into the reality. And but we also know that there are many problems faced by the women in empowering themselves into the today's world. So the problem faced by the women, that are first gender based inequality. We all know that from the ancient times it is known that the women are only made for the household work, and that kitchen work or the household work, and they do not have the right to work outside and earn money. But this is not true. In the today's world, the women are working shoulder to shoulder with men, realizing their potential and their capability, and nowadays they are working more than with the men, more than as compared to men, and working in a good condition and doing great in their field. So next reason is uh, female ferticide and female infanticide. This is the evil way of discriminating towards women, that in the womb of the mother, some people through through the technology know, if they got to know that in the womb of the mother, if it is a baby girl, then they kill it in the womb of the mother and denied them from their basic human right, that is right to live. So this is the major problem faced by the girls, but it is not common nowadays. It is happening in previous mm, years, but now there are strict laws against it. So third reason is female literacy is one of also the major issue in some parts of the India now also. Low literacy is one of the reasons that women are not getting knowledge, and if they are not getting knowledge, they don't know their capability, they don't know about the society and all that. And to eradicate this issue, Indian government is working, and they passed the law, right to education from 6 year to 14-year-old children's, and in which it mandates free and compulsory education to the children in this age group. Another reason is the women's security. It is most common in the entire world, not in India. Every day we hear about the case of rape, violence towards the girl, and sex trafficking, and so many issues are there. But governments of the countries and also India are taking initiatives against it, and so there are some social initiatives taken by the Indian government, that are Ujjwala Nirmala Fund, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, and women safety apps, protection of women from the Domestic Violence Act 2005, Rajiv Gandhi scheme for empowerment of adolescent girls. That are some social initiative by the government. And now we discuss economic initiatives, that are Rashtriya Mahila Kosh, Swayam Swayam Siddha Gender Budgeting, Bharatiya Mahila Bank, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. These are the economic initiatives taken by the government. And now discuss health sector initiatives, that are Janani Suraksha Yojana, Indira Gandhi Matritva Sahyog Yojana, National Food Security Act 2013. And these are the initiatives taken by the government of the India to empower the women in today's world, and they are achieving their goal slowly. I will discuss the conclusion. So, as we all know, that women in the today's world realizing their strength, their capability, their potential in various fields, and they are doing best and great in various fields such as sport, politics, entertainment, in the film industries, everywhere.